This is Ford Kuga. Welcome to the channel. Basically, I thought I'm going to do this car repair without video, but however, ending it up, need to do the video because it's lot of information there for the my viewers. Basically, local another garage refer me to this car. Basically, they done the MOT. Then after that, they say position lamp something not right with the other lamps. So I'll show you what they mean. First of all, I will start the car and I will switch on the light. Right, we'll see what happened there now. You can see this side light on, this side light on, and middle light on. Because when you switch on that one without pressing brake light, your middle light shouldn't on. That's why the problem this car has. Basically, when they on the side lights, your middle brake light on. That's why the problem. Then after that, I spend nearly half an hour to find out what's going on. I'll check all wiring, took it out the wiring, check the old wiring, and check this lamp. Even I couldn't identify. Then some reason my mind said, Charlie, have a look this bulb holder. Basically, I'll remove this bulb. It's hot. I'll switch off the car and I'll come and show you. Right, I took it out this bulb. You can see single filament bulb, and both edges, like you can see this edges not there anymore, this side not anymore, and this is single filament. Have a look inside. This bulb should be double filament, like this double filament bulb. Right, I'll install this bulb. Right, I install double filament bulb. Right, let's go and have a look what's going on there. I will start the car and light on. You can see this side light on and this side on. What happened to the middle? Disappeared. Yeah, to be honest, some idiot done this repair or change the bulb, then poor customer ending with lot of hassle. If someone know what to do, better to do the job. If someone doesn't know what to do the job, don't do it like this silly things. Sometime because of this small thing, it can be affected to the whole electric system. Sometime your ECU might be can damage, your car fail for the whole lifetime. It couldn't start sometime. Yeah, careful because this is very risk. Better to, if you doesn't know anything, don't do it. Otherwise, follow the old method. When you remove the old bulb, you know what kind of bulb it's worse, then follow that bulb. You are fine. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this one helpful for someone. Thank you.